Hello, today I am going to solve Word Module 6 SAM Project B. Our step number 1 is set a top and bottom margin of 0.5. So go to Layout tab and select margin and then custom margin. Choose this one, custom margin, and then top margin 0.5 and bottom margin 0.5 and click OK. So we have completed our one step. Our step number 2 is near the end of the letter, convert the listing beginning. So go on here, standing graph, select this one and select this one, 3 rows. Select 3 rows, convert to a table. To go to insert tab and table here and convert text to table. Select this one and click OK. Number of column 3 and click OK. So we have completed our 2 step here. And our step number 3 is start a mail merge and then select letters. So go to mailing tab and start mail merge using letter. Select this one, letter. And our step number 3, part A is customize the column by deleting the fields shown in table 1. So on select recipient, type a new list, choose this one and customize column, choose customize column and then delete this one, title, delete this one, yes, and company name, this one, delete it, country origin, this one, delete this, and work phone, this one, delete this, yes, and last email address, this one, delete this. And part B is if necessary rename the zip code. So go to zip code and rename this zip code to postal code. Postal code and click OK. And part C is add a new field to the end of the address listing committee. So add committee, COMMMITEE and click OK. And click OK. And our step number 4 is enter the addresses information for 2 recipients shows in table 2. So in first name type Kristen, 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 and in last name type Acker, Acker, address line 1 902 Pine Street, Pine Street, and address line 2 leave this and city and abroad, ANNABROR, abroad. And in state field tap MI and postal code 48107 and home phone 734, close the bracket and space and triple Y dash 3622 and committee activities. Act activities.
Hello. For complete course deal, you can contact us our WhatsApp number. We are helping students to grow their marks in each subject like business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, literature, statistics, economics, mathematics, networking, information, technology, computer sciences, and many more. If you need any help in these courses, contact us at our WhatsApp number. I will help you to grow your exam and marks in each subject.
activities. And enter a new entry. New entry, click on new entry, and then in first name type Bob WUU 1720 space Highland Drive DRIVE Drive, address line 2 hash hash 312, and in city Vista, state CA, and postal code 929083 and home phone. Open the bracket and 760, close the bracket, space bar, 555 dash 2120, like this. And in activities, treasury, TREASURY, treasury. And so we have completed our step number 4, and customize column, and in committee rename is double T COMI double T double E, and click OK, and click OK, and click OK. Then type this project 6 project 6, and click save this. At the beginning of the letter, our step number 5 is at the beginning of the letter. Here date control March 5, 2021. So March 5, 2021. Choose March 5 March 5, 2021. So we have completed 5 steps here. And our step number 6 is go to here and read. Our step number 6 is replace the text inside address with the 7 merge fields shown in figure 1. Include the paragraph marks, punctuation, and space between the merge field as shown. So replace inside address with first name and last name. So replace this, select this, and go to insert field, merge field, and select first name, to this one, first name, like this. And after this, space, and choose last name, like this. And go to instruction file and see after this address line. Press enter, and here address line 1, and after this address line 2, like this. After this, city. After this, city, city, and city. After city, state and postal code. Space, city, state, space, and postal code, and go to home tab and click on this. So hide and this, click on this. So we see where we did mistake. So I think we need to put comma here. Put comma after city. Put comma after city here like this. So we have completed our step number 6, and our step number 7 is replace the text, insert first name and last name. This one, insert first name and last name. So insert this, select this, insert first name with brackets and go to mailing and choose first name, and after this select last name with brackets and choose last name here. So we have completed our 7th step, and our step number 8 is in the first paragraph body of the letter replace the insert committee. So here insert committee, select insert committee and replace this with committee like this. So we have completed our 8th step here, and our step number 9 is to include personalized text, add an if field as follow. So at the end of the paragraph below the table here, we need to below the table the video conference call insert an if then else rule. So go to rules, if then else, choose this one, if then else, and compare with the committee field. So choose committee field. In the last committee field is equal to compare to activities. The right activities like this, and insert the following sentence if the condition is true. So go to instruction file. So type here plan to stay on the call for 30 minutes to discuss reunion activities like this, and press enter. Put stop here. Leave the otherwise insert text. Leave this and click OK. Click OK. And hello, today I am going to solve Excel module 5 sample B. Our step number 1 is break the external link in the worksheet. Go to the Excel sheet, and then this is our Excel sheet and we need to break the link. So go to data tab and then workbook link. Click on workbook link. Then go here, click on this three dot icon and click on break link and then click on break link. After this, then switch to the art pair worksheet. We need to switch to the art pair worksheet. Switch to the art pair worksheet. The art pair worksheet. And our step number 2 is in cell B5, remove the hyperlink, leaving the unlinked text. So we need to, in cell B5, this is cell B5, right click on it and click on remove hyperlink. So we have completed 2 steps here. And our step number 3 is in cell D4, create a hyperlink. So in D4, we need to create a hyperlink using email. So copy this email in part A, copy this email, Control C, go to the Excel sheet and in D4, this is cell D4, right click on it and click on link and click on email address, and paste this address that's copied from instruction file. So paste this, and after this our step number part 2 is use info at the rate as the text to display. So copy this and go to Excel worksheet and then paste into text to display box, then paste here, Control V here. And after this our step number part 3 is use contact the gateway artware organizer as the same tip next. So copy this text and paste it into, click on screen tip and paste it here, Control V and click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 3 steps here, and our step number 4 is in cell B10, create a hyperlink to the document. So we need to create a hyperlink for a document, link to the file. So go to and use art pair description as the text to display. So copy this text, and go to Excel worksheet and in B10. This is cell B10, right click on it and go to click on link and then click on existing file or web page. Click on this and select this file. You have this file downloaded from the SAM Syngage portal. So click on this, and after this our part B is change the text to display. So remove this text from here and paste, then that's we copied from the instruction worksheet. Copy this, and then our part C is text to screen tip. So copy this text and then go to the Excel worksheet and click on screen tips and then paste it there, Control V and then click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 4 steps here, and our step number 5 is added the hyperlink in cell B9 as follows. So our part A is use out online art pair calendar. So copy this text for text display. So copy this and go to Excel worksheet and in B9. So click on B9, this is cell B9 and right click on it and click on edit hyperlink, this one, edit hyperlink, and then our text to display is we copied from the instruction worksheet and then paste it here, and our part B is to display the calendar of art fair in US as the screen tip. So copy this text and go to the Excel worksheet and then paste it in screen tip and then paste it here, Control V, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. So we have completed 5 step here, and our step number 6 is group the Chicago, SG Lewis and Minneapolis worksheet together and then make the following updates. So first we need to the group the worksheets. So click on Chicago worksheets, click on Chicago worksheet, and then press shift and then click on Minneapolis worksheet. So we have grouped 3 worksheet here. And after this, our part A is change the font size in the margin range. So copy this range A1 to F1, copy this range, and paste it here. Paste it here, Control V, right click on it and go to Home tab and increase the font size to 16 point like this. Click on 16 point, and our part B is apply 20% SN1 set style to the merge cell A2 to F2. Click on second column. This one select A1 to A2 to F2 and then go to cell style and click on 20% SN1 like this. Yeah, this one. Click on this one. So we have completed part B here, and our part C is bold the value in the range. So copy this range A5 to A8, copy this range and go to the Excel worksheet and then bold them. Paste it here and then click on bold like this. So we have completed part C here, and our step part D is apply the accounting number format with 2 decimal places and $sign as the symbol to the range. So copy this range B5 to F9 and then go to the Excel worksheet and then paste it here. Sorry, Control Z. Sorry, 1 second. And then paste the range here and click and press enter, and then format this. Click on this icon number format, click on this icon and go to the accountant, and then in symbol select $sign, second one $sign in and with 2 decimal places, and then click on OK. And our part E is resize the column width of column B to F to 14. Do not ungroup the worksheet. So click on cell B, select cell B, and then press shift and select F, column F like this, and right click on it and column width, and column width is 14 like this, and click on OK. So we have completed 6 step here, and our step number 7 is with the Chicago, SG Lewis and Minneapolis worksheet still group, update the worksheet in cell A8, change the text marble to read stone. So copy this stone and type in A8. In A8, this is A8, and paste it here like this. And part B is in cell A9, change the total to read total sales. So copy this and go to the Excel worksheet, and in A9 rename total sales and click on enter, click enter. So we have completed 7 step here with the Chicago ST Lewis worksheet still group. Create a formula as follow. Enter a formula in cell B9. In cell B9, create a sum formula. Here create a sum type is equal to sum and double click on it and select the range quarter 1. Select this range B5, B8 and close the bracket and press enter. So we have completed part A, and part B is copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. So copy this, click on this plus black icon and drag to E9 like this. So we have completed the 8th step here. Now we need to ungroup the worksheet and check to confirm that the formatting and formulas from step 6 to 8 are present in the. So ungroup this worksheets, or we need to right click on this worksheet and then click on ungroup sheets. So we have ungroup this worksheet, and now we need to check this our formatting is present or not. So click on this. So we have completed 8th step here, and our step number 9 is create a copy of the Menone plus worksheet and then combine